my channel. For those of you who are new here, welcome. And I'm gonna ask you to subscribe right now and write in the comments below, I subscribe, so I can personally thank you for joining my YouTube family. So, I got a big announcement, like a really, really big one. We're selling the house! And I can't believe it. I just wanted to tell you guys a couple of things about why I like living here. Number one, I live in a historical home with modern amenities. That's right, modern. We redid the entire house. The entire house was redone, inside and outside. That gets me to my next thing. So my backyard is an entertainer's paradise. We have everything back there. You can check the spec sheets of all the extras that my husband and I put in the yard. We really put our heart and soul into that yard, and if you come here to look at it, you could tell. Also, what I love about the backyard, when you go outside, it's quiet and it's like being in a tropical oasis. It's very secluded. We don't have any neighbors, which is actually a nice thing because you don't have to worry about playing your music past a certain time if you're hosting a party. You don't have to worry about who's sneaking over the fence to look at you. So it's kind of nice not having neighbors. Also, it's a very safe home. I never had to worry about having my child's Robbie outside, playing in our property. We have fences around everything that needs to be fenced in. And we just really, really just loved living here. But it's time to move on. So now everyone, I want you to enjoy this outstanding video of my home. video of my home. Incredible, right? So if you are interested in buying my house, please contact my real estate agent, Tammy Lynn. Her information is right here, and she will give you all the details that you need. Okay, everyone, thank you so much for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and share this video, and help me get to 1,000 subscribers. Next week, all new video. See you then, 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Thank you. Bye-bye.